Hi everyone, Miss Sims here. Welcome to our Week 8 Phonics video. This week we're looking at two new vowel teams, OU and OW. I'm teaching these ones together because they actually make the same sound. So I'm going to show you some examples. So the first one is out, as in outside, and it makes the out sound. The next one is cow, cow. It makes the ow sound. So cow or out, both of them have the ow sound. So those are the two sounds we're looking at this week. I know we have lots and lots of brave spellers in our class, so parents, don't be tricked by them. They know that they can do this. So some coaching points to help them. Sometimes when you get to a tricky one, you might say, maybe I can get the answer from someone else. But no, we want brave spellers. So continue to be brave and take chances. Parents, these are some coaching points. If they say, I don't know how to spell it, or Mom, how do you spell this word? You can tell them to say it, slide it, so slide their finger, hear the different sounds, and write it. Say it, slide it, hear it, write it. These are coaching points that we use in class, and we have amazing, amazing writers this year. Remember, it does not need to be perfect. If they don't hear every single sound, that's okay. Just encourage them to write down as many sounds as they can hear. All right? Along with the say it, slide it, hear it writing, another coaching point is telling your students to write it part by part. This is especially important for super long words. Because we have two vowel teams today, OU and OW, you will have to encourage your kids to try it two ways. So a lot of times they might say, I don't know which one, but if you write it out both ways, most times a kid can say, oh, that one looks right or more right than the other one. And along with that is double checking and to say which one looks right. We're going to try a few together. So I have my whiteboard here. Students can use their whiteboard or a piece of paper, their journal, or they can use their letter cards if they want to move the cards around, because sometimes some kids, they find that easier, and that's totally fine. So remember, I'm going to first write my two vowel teams on top so I remember what they are. So OU or OW. Those are my two. So the first word I'm going to try is the word town. Town. So again, I say the word town and I slide my finger. Town. What do I hear first? And I'm going to write it down. I hear a T and then town. Oh, I hear the ow. So I hear the ow sound. Ow. And I hear an N at the end. Now remember, we're going to try it two ways though, because we have two vowel teams. So the same thing, town. Now, when I hold this up, which one looks right? Most kids are probably going to say, Miss, I think it's this one. And you are correct. So, and if they are guessing this one, that's okay. We're just starting these vowel teams. They're not expected to be perfect. They're not expected to be experts yet. We're going to keep working on that. All right? So the next one that we're going to try is, how about shout? Shout. Okay, so remember we're going to say it, shout, and slide our finger, shout. What sound do we hear first? Shout. I hear an SH, writing it part by part. Shout, shout. I hear the out sound and a T at the end. Shout, and I'm going to write it two ways. Now, which of these look correct? Some people might say, I saw or I heard the out word from before. So if you heard that or seen it, you would recognize that this word here is the correct spelling. But again, if they get it incorrect, that's totally okay. Just coach them, and more practice, they will become better. Another extension of this activity is when they are doing their reading, see if they can find any OW or OU words in their reading. So a little kind of a mini I Spy game. I'll see you next week. Bye.